From TST Learning English, this is English from the News, our podcast where we look at global news stories and the English vocabulary you need to understand them.
In today's program, astronauts travel around the moon in a historic space mission.
Hello, I'm Jamshid.
And I'm Raha.
In this program, we look at one big news story and the vocabulary and the headlines that will help you understand it.
By learning these words and phrases, you can improve your English and understand international news more easily.
Alright, Raha, let's hear more about the story.
Astronauts are preparing for an important space mission that will travel around the moon.
This mission is historic because humans have not traveled around the moon for about 50 years. 50 years. Think about that.
The astronauts will fly in a spacecraft, travel around the moon, and then return safely to Earth.
Scientists hope that this mission will help prepare future journeys to the moon and even to Mars. Now let's look at some useful words from the headline. Our first word is astronaut.
An astronaut is a person who travels into space.
For example, the astronaut trained for many years before the mission. Our second word is mission.
A mission is an important task or journey with a specific goal.
For example, the space mission will study the moon. Our third word is historic.
Historic means something very important in history.
For example, this mission is a historic moment for space exploration.
Jamshid, do you think humans will live on the moon one day?
That's interesting. Maybe. Many scientists believe that people might build bases on the moon in the future.
That would be very exciting.
Yes, and missions like this are the first step, I think. Let's review today's vocabulary.
Astronaut, a person who travels into space.
Mission, an important task or journey.
Historic, something very important in history.
Try to use these words in your own sentences.
That's the end of today's episode of English from the News.
We hope you learn some useful English vocabulary.
Join us next time for another global news story.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.